check it out. Look at the Soulgasm. She's dirty, but I think she's playable. Let's go look at these amps. Look at that. Still under construction, obviously. Rumor has it the windshield already went with both doors wide open the other day. They just put a brand new one in here, but who knows what's going to happen.
No way! Holy shit! Doors open! Oh my god, I wonder how the sunroof is.
I don't know, but we can't do that again.
Holy shit. Damn, son.
So we pulled the Soulgasm outside and I like turned it on to break in the subwoofers, and my homeboy was over here. We were bullshitting and I had it at like volume 20. It goes to like 40 and I think we have it adjusted to go all the way there and still have a lot of room left. And with the motor running and all the voltage now, we were chooching this thing along, and I turned the volume up to like 31, and I was playing Post Malone, Rebase, DJ Rusticles, and it swung up to 77 hertz. It was doing the big buzz, and it made my face all up, and I was almost felt like I needed to pull out of there, and all of a sudden something hit me in the face, and it was bits of windshield. I didn't think I'd be blowing windshields out of this thing with both doors wide open, and it not turned up very loud at all. I mean, and there is a lot of reinforcement here. I promise this shit wasn't flexing much in this neighborhood, but the windshield was. So we got to order a new one, and then I don't know how we're gonna get through next weekend.
All right, so it sounds like I'm about to get my demo right now, but where can everybody else get their demo at?
Skyhigh Car Audio Barbecue this Saturday and Sunday.
All right. Good. Feel privileged. Anybody else heard this besides me that doesn't work here? Or all the neighbors? Yeah, why is everybody standing outside of it? Am I supposed to get in? What am I doing? Oh, he's messing around? Oh.
You have a bass on.
You gotta play it out here? What is going on?
This is
You ain't getting in with me?
This is the jail audio tune, man.
Oh.
My phone off the dashboard.
All right, here we go. What are we doing? Are we playing the low?
Hold on, I gotta figure this thing out real quick. I can't even connect to it.
Can you grab my phone? That's
Look at them A-pillars.
We actually made some pretty significant changes, so I need to like figure some shit out. Settings, subwoofer.
So everybody out there knows this is not your average roof. This thing is reinforced steel the whole way. The only thing that isn't reinforced is the windshield. All right, first listen for me anyways. Yeah, the glue ain't dry yet, man. I bet it's porting itself through that windshield. Oh my god.
A ton of fucking glue on the outside.
I don't know, we got it on the head unit, but we got the cover on the head unit still.
Yeah, for real.
Let's do that.
The windshield didn't break, but it oozed all the sealant from today's windshield replacement. All right, I'm all the way in here. The windshield's porting itself because there's no glue in it anymore. Oh my God. It's raining all over my clothes. Okay.
We're on cleanup duty.
Oh, dude, it is like stalactites.
Break the shit out of that.
Yeah, it's on my thumb.
Give me another one.
So much for waiting 2 or 3 hours. All right, what's happening here is they just replaced this windshield this morning, and it's going to Reno. Yeah, they said 3 hours. The glue will be set up and we'll be good to go.
They fucking lied.
That ain't no 3 hour glue because it's raining like glue stalactites in here.
You want to try that?
Hey, this is gonna need to be vacuumed out before it goes out.
Yeah. Shit, little dust
You get this little dust.
All right, let's try one more with the fucking better nail.
Is there wind coming out of that thing right now?
Like, we could probably just pull it off.
So just to put this video in a little bit of context, this thing was not ready to give me a demo today. They broke the windshield yesterday with the doors wide open, playing around with it, half knob. But I told them I really wanted to hear it, and if they break the windshield with me in it, I'll buy them a new one. They said, well, the glue's going to be dry in 3 hours, supposedly. Get your ass over here at 1 o'clock, let's do it. Well, apparently the glue wasn't dry yet. So essentially, with all that bass and all that pressure going right out of the windshield because there's no sealant and it's not even locked in place, the only thing holding it in place is the sides, and those are falling apart too. I'm pretty sure it's not going to last this weekend at the Skyhigh BBQ. If you're going out there to that show, check it out before the shards come. But I will say this, that thing is slamming. Yeah.